in my own time.
Okay, next.
I've got enough. I would like to share my experience with Smile Centre Turkey from start to finish, from the airport transfer all the way to our beautiful hotel, which was accommodated by Smile Centre Turkey. The transfers spot on, every appointment to the clinics, back and forth, on time, perfect. The dental advisor, especially Yusuf, which was mine, brilliant, top guy. All the dental nurses. Smile Centre Turkey, absolutely brilliant. Would definitely recommend anyone to come over. Smile Centre Turkey.